For couples struggling to have children, Family Day can be one of emptiness, an annual reminder of the void in their lives, but the provincially funded in vitro fertilization program is breathing new life and giving patients hope where once there was only hardship.
I feel blessed every day. Every day.
Susie and Rob spent 3 years trying to have a child.
Well, when I was younger, I was told I have ulcerative colitis, so I knew from when I was in my 20s that would be harder for me to conceive naturally. For me, the only thing I ever wanted to be was a mom.
The couple paid tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket for IVF treatments and were blessed with little Mia, who's now 2.5. A year ago, they were able to transfer an embryo for free, thanks to the provincial government's IVF program. Massimo, now just 2 months old, was born on the couple's 5-year wedding anniversary. Family Day used to be lonely, not anymore.
To have kids, it just brings that much more meaning to the whole idea of family.
1 in 6 Ontario couples deal with infertility.
The program began in December of 2015. Ontario is the only province in the country to fully fund a single round of IVF treatment. At a cost of $10,000 a patient, the government has $70 million earmarked annually for the initiative.
If you had a round of IVF before that you've paid for yourself, you're still eligible for the Ontario funding. If you have had a funded cycle, that would have been it.
Sandra Elsafawi is a director with Conceivable Dreams, a fertility advocacy group that helped push the province to fund IVF treatment. She says the funding is helping curb the epidemic of multiple births stemming from fertility treatments, which are putting a strain on the healthcare system. Patients paying out of pocket for IVF tend to push for the use of 2 or more embryos at a time, increasing the likelihood of multiples at pregnancy. The Ontario program mandates that only a single embryo be transferred. The belief is the program could save the healthcare system up to $500 million over the next decade.
Multiple births tend to result in more often in premature births. So then you're dealing with potential visits to the neonatal ICU, further follow-up appointments with doctors after birth.
Elsafawi has also struggled to have children. A round of IVF she paid for herself didn't result in a pregnancy. She says the program doesn't guarantee success, but she hopes it will help lift the social stigma associated with infertility.
And it tends to be somewhat quiet and hushed up because people are embarrassed to talk about the reproductive systems, and there's really no shame.
I think it's necessary.
For Susie and Rob, they want other couples to know, no matter how long they've been trying, that there is still hope, and they're not alone.
There's a lot of women that are going through the same thing. If it's something that you really want in life is to be a mom, to be a parent, that you should continue to go for that.
For City News, I'm Adrian Ghobrial.